Welcome to video number 3 on 30, 60, 90 triangles. So recall we have our formulas listed here and you should have them in your notes from the last video. If you don't, I would encourage you to pause the video and write these down. These are very important for 30, 60, 90 triangles. Okay, let's look at our first example. In our first example, I have a 30-degree angle and a 90-degree angle, but I'm actually missing my third angle. Since you all know that all angles in a triangle must add to 180, this angle has to be 60, right? Because 30 plus 90 is 120, plus 60 will get me 180. So I would encourage you, if you're missing an angle, to go ahead and fill that in. The very next step is to clearly label all of your sides as small, medium, or large. The 30-degree angle is the smallest angle. That is across from the smallest side. So here's my small side. The 60-degree angle is my medium. So that's across from the medium side. And the 90-degree angle is across from the large side. Okay, now we are given the large side. So we have a choice to either go from large to small or large to medium. And let's look at our available formulas and see which will work. Is there a formula to go from large to medium? Well, when I look up here, nope, I don't see any formula. But there is a formula to go from large to small, which is right here. And it tells me that I need to take my large side and divide by 2. And again, that makes sense because I'm getting smaller, so division is how that will work. So I'm going to take my large side and divide by 2. Okay, now I'm allowed to have a regular 2 on the denominator. So my small side is simply 5 root 2 over 2. And in this case, 5 over 2 can't be simplified. And so I can just leave my answer as 5 root 2 over 2. The only thing left is my medium side. Again, I want to choose the appropriate formula. Should I go large to medium or small to medium? Well, based on the available information, I think I should go small to medium. That tells me to take my small side, multiply by the square root of 3. So I'm going to take my small side, which is 5 root 2 over 2, and I'm going to multiply by the square root of 3. And the square root of 3 is really over 1. Anytime you're multiplying something, you can always put it over 1. Make sure you understand that the square root of 3 is actually in the numerator. Okay, again, numbers multiply numbers, radicals multiply radicals. This is going to become, on the numerator, 5 root 6. Okay, the square root of 2 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 6, over 2 times 1 is 2. So my medium side is 5 root 6 over 2. Okay, let's go to the next example. In the next example, I am given a 60-degree angle. And again, notice I am missing my third angle. Now at this point, you guys know that that's a 30-degree angle. So make sure you fill those in before you start. Next, you're going to label your sides. This is my small side across from my small angle. This is my medium side across from my medium angle. And this is my large side. In this case, I'm given my medium side. And when I'm given my medium side, I have to think, should I go medium to large or medium to small? Well, my only available formula is medium to small because I have to start with medium. So I need to take my medium side, divide by root 3, multiply by root 3 over 3. So 4 divided by root 3, multiplied by root 3 over root 3. This is going to give me 4 root 3 over the square root of 9. And we know that that is 4 root 3 over 3. So my small side is 4 root 3 over 3. So hopefully you can see that. Let me move this over a little bit. And then finally, I just need to get my large side. And I think at this point you see that I need to go from small to large because that's the only thing missing. Going from small to large, I'm just going to multiply by 2. So taking my 4 root 3 over 3, I'm going to multiply by 2 over 1. Remember, when I'm multiplying by a fraction, that number is always going to be in the numerator, and you can always put it over 1. Numbers multiply numbers, radicals multiply radicals. So I'm going to multiply the 4 and the 2 to get 8 root 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So my large side is 8 root 3 over 3. I'm going to do one last easy example. I saved this for the end. And this is my favorite type when you are given the small side. I think those are the easiest. So sorry, let me just rearrange my diagrams here. And in this case, again, this is my 60-degree angle. And this is an easier problem because I'm given my small side. Small, medium, large. Going from small up to medium, small to medium, I take my small side, multiply by root 3. My medium side here is 7 times the square root of 3. Going from small to large is small times 2, so 7 times 2 is 14. I hope those videos helped you. Make sure that you have really good notes on this subject, and I will see you tomorrow for the next video in which I will try to do a review of all of the special right triangles. As always, please contact me if you have any questions, and keep up the good work.